How to get rid of pee smell on a mattress, detailed guide. Say goodbye to the stench of urine and hello to a fresh-smelling mattress with our step-by-step guide on how to get rid of pee smell on a mattress. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! Sprinkle baking soda over the affected area. Baking soda is a natural odor absorber and it can help neutralize the smell of urine. Before you start, identify the area of the mattress affected by the pee. If the pee is recent and visible, locate the stain on the mattress. If the pee is dried, use your nose to sniff out the urine. You can also use a black light to find the location of the urine on the mattress. Once you have identified the affected area, sprinkle baking soda over it. Be sure to sprinkle enough baking soda to completely cover the affected area. This will ensure that all odor-causing bacteria are neutralized. Next, let the baking soda sit on the mattress for at least 5 hours, leave overnight, if possible. This will give the baking soda enough time to absorb the odor and neutralize the bacteria. After letting it sit, use a vacuum cleaner to remove the baking soda from the mattress. It's best to use a handheld or upright vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment. Any of these will help agitate the baking soda and remove it more effectively. Furthermore, vacuum the entire mattress, not just the affected area. Doing this will ensure that all of the baking soda is removed. Vacuuming also helps remove any remaining debris, dirt, and dust. These substances can also cause odor on the mattress. In some cases, the urine smell will be eliminated at this point. If you experience such, you don't have to do the next step. On the other hand, if you can still smell the urine odor, do the next step. Spray white vinegar solution over the affected area. Vinegar is a natural and effective way of getting rid of urine smell. It can also remove any remaining dirt or debris, and it's a safe and non-toxic solution. Mix white vinegar and water in equal parts in a spray bottle. Then, spray the solution over the affected area of the mattress. Make sure to saturate the entire area, but be careful not to oversaturate the mattress. Doing so can cause damage and also create a strong vinegar smell. It's important to allow the solution to sit for at least 15 minutes. This will give the solution enough time to neutralize the bacteria and neutralize the odor. During this time, avoid sitting or lying on the mattress. Doing so could cause the solution to be absorbed into your clothes or skin. Furthermore, avoid using any fans or other devices to dry the mattress. Such action could cause the solution to evaporate before it has had a chance to neutralize the odor. After 15 minutes, use a cloth or paper towel to blot the area. Press down firmly to remove as much of the liquid as possible. Ensure that you use a clean, dry cloth to blot it. This will prevent the introduction of any new bacteria or odors to the mattress. In addition, use a towel or cloth that can absorb the liquid. A microfiber cloth or a terry cloth towel will do just nicely. Using such fabric will prevent you from pushing the liquid around the mattress. You can also use a wet vacuum cleaner or a clean mop with a wringer bucket to remove the liquid. Allow the mattress to air dry completely. After you have blotted the affected area, allow the mattress to air dry completely. Don't cover it with anything, such as sheets or blankets. In addition, don't use fans or other devices to dry the mattress. Allow the mattress to dry in a well-ventilated area that has ample sunlight. The UV rays from sunlight do a good job of destroying odorous particles. Avoid using any heat source such as a hairdryer or heater. Doing so could cause the mattress to dry too quickly. This, in turn, can cause shrinkage or damage. It could also cause any remaining odors to set in the mattress. Ensure that you allow the mattress to dry completely. This can take a few hours up to a full day, depending on the humidity and the amount of liquid used. Once the mattress is dried, do the following. Sprinkle baking soda over the entire mattress. This step is similar to the first step, but it is done after the mattress has dried. It is done to absorb any odor that may still linger. Just as you did in the first step, but this time sprinkle the baking soda over the entire mattress, not just the affected area. Then, let the baking soda sit for a minimum of 10 hours before vacuuming it. If the smell still lingers, repeat the process discussed in this video so far. However, if the smell is gone, we recommend that you do this next. Place a mattress protector over the mattress. A mattress protector is a removable cover that can be placed over the mattress. It can protect the mattress from spills, stains, and also allergens. It can also help extend the life of the mattress. There are different types of mattress protectors available, including those made from cotton, polyester, or a combination of materials. They are easy to put on and remove, and they can be machine washed. It's important to choose a mattress protector that fits your mattress snugly. It's also a good idea to select one that is waterproof or water resistant. This will protect the mattress from any future accidents, spills, or perspiration. Furthermore, it will make cleaning easier in case of future accidents. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.